What's going on, guys? It's Joey and welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. I'd be lying if I said my car did not smell like the Starbucks egg white bites, but what we got here going on for breakfast, a little breakfast on the go, 2 slices of just regular ass white bread, and then we have here an egg white quesadilla. Full recipe for the egg white quesadilla will be in the description down below. Again, another recipe I found on Instagram, the actual profile and the recipe on there as well. Check the profile out, it has great recipes. But let's go ahead and give this toast a little bit of a taste test. You can never really go wrong with toast. I mean, it's just bread, use a little bit of butter spray, and bada bing, bada boom. I actually got here just egg white quesadilla, so just egg whites folded into 2 servings of reduced fat cheese. So quesadilla, egg white style. I love me some quesadillas. I'm not crazy about egg whites unless it's in French toast, but let's give this a taste test, shall we? Well, I'll be damned. It's actually not bad. Just another way to kind of show you how to make egg whites taste good, make them enjoyable. If you're not a fan of French toast for whatever reason, I don't know why. You can completely customize this bad boy with your favorite cheese, with your favorite vegetables, all that good stuff in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, and I'll see you guys as the day rolls on. Alrighty, here we are, comida numero dos. Guys, first of all, leave a like if my Spanish has gotten better or worse. If it's gotten better, leave a like. If it's gotten worse, leave a like anyways over this entire prep series. But what we have going on here for this meal is 6 slices of French toast. We have 2 plates, 3 and 3, right? 3 plus 3 is 6. Math genius, I know. Also with 200 grams of pineapple, because we all know what pineapple is good for, and as well as a lovely cup of joe. Nothing like Joe sipping on a cup of joe. As well as we got some Miss Buttersworth sugar-free syrup going on here. This is meal number 2. Total calories after that morning egg white quesadilla, 1,183 calories. We have here 105 grams of protein, 156 grams of carbs, 17 grams of fiber, and then 10 grams of fat for overall macros for those of you that care about macros. This right here is going to be meal number 2. Finish off this Miss Buttersworth, why not? This is going to be meal number 2, also our pre-workout meal as well. Going to train about roughly an hour or so. We got a back day today. I'm not going to film it just because I don't have anybody to help me film it, but I will leave the full back workout in the description down below. But let's give this French toast a little bit of a taste test, shall we? Super set in a little bit of pineapple. Top 2 favorite fruits of all time, pineapple and mangoes. Number 3 has to be blueberries. What's your favorite fruit? Leave a comment down below. Why not? Now, I will say, in the morning, that egg white quesadilla was honestly really, really good. I'm going to go ahead and actually prepare it later on in the day because I'm going to eat that shit again because it was actually that good. And I'll show you guys how I basically make the egg white quesadilla. You can just visually see how it's done a little bit. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and eat meal 2 and we'll see you guys as the day rolls on. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, back workout is complete. Full workout will be in the description down below. But our next meal of the day is going to be a salmon salad here. We have just 6 ounces of salmon, roughly 2 servings of baby spinach, around 170 grams, and then 2 servings of the sugar-free dipping sauce. We are not at home base. We had to take refuge over at Mr. Josh Elliott's house right here. He's over there in the kitchen cooking some steak. But we're chilling in between some clients right now. Gotta go back to the gym after this, but I'm gonna go ahead and munch on this salad. Estimated calories for the entire day, 1,522 calories. This right here is roughly around 340 calories. Overall macros, 145 grams of protein, 166 grams of carbs, and then 20 grams of fat and 20 grams of fiber as well. So I'm gonna munch on this and I will see you guys as the day rolls on. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? For our next meal or our next snack, we are having 1 bag of Smart Pop popcorn here, bringing our total calories to 1,994. Also, after that salad, I had a Quest bar, so that was an extra 200 calories for the entire day. Our overall macros are 177 grams of protein, 243 grams of carbohydrates, 46 grams of fiber, and 37 grams of fat, my friends. So I'm in between clients right now. I'm at the gym, training some people, grabbing a snack, bag of popcorn, 240 calories for the entire bag, but like Greg just says, not all the kernels get popped, so it's more closer around 200 calories. So about roughly 500 calories there for the entire day. This is gonna hold me over till I get home for dinner. I'll show you guys that egg white quesadilla recipe, baby. Righty, ladies and gentlemen, we are here with the last meal of the entire day. What we got going on here is to show you guys how to make that egg white quesadilla. I love this recipe because it is actually so low in calories, right? We have here in a bowl, which is this guy right here, 290 grams of egg whites, salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder in there as well. We already have a pan heating up right here on about like a 6 out of 10 heat. What I'm gonna do is basically just take these egg whites here and just pour them in the bowl. Just like that. It's not rocket surgery, you just pour it in the bowl. Take my lid and cover it. I'm gonna leave it on there for a couple minutes. We'll go probably around maybe like 3 minutes and then check on it, and then I'm gonna add basically my Velveeta cheese here. For one slice in this guy, it is 40 calories. We're looking at 3 grams of protein, 2 fat, 3 carb for your macro people. I don't really care though. All I care about is the calories. We already have enough protein for the entire day. If not, I would use fat-free cheese, go even more protein, but I want a little bit more fat, so we're gonna use the Velveeta square. Also put some tomato and some mushroom in there. And then on the side, I'll have a slice of toast with some guacamole for some more fats, because we are pretty low on fats for the entire day. Add some guac in there for some healthy fats, basically. But yeah, we're gonna let that cook, and then we're gonna add the cheese and the vegetables to it as soon as it's done. Okay, it's been roughly around maybe 4 minutes or so. I'm poking the egg white quesadilla base, and it's giving me some jiggle back, so I think it's ready. I'm gonna add all my stuff to it, and then I'll show you what this looks like when it's done, just because I can't record and add stuff at the same time. There's just no way. I need both my hands for this operation. So, see you in a second. Alrighties, and ladies and gentlemen, holy crap, we got quite the situation going on here. Egg white quesadilla with our tomatoes, our mushrooms, our cheese, a little bit of guacamole, and some toast. For that avocado toast, little consistency there. Egg white quesadilla literally so big I couldn't even put it on a regular plate. It just didn't fit. It was too big. Is that what she said? I think so.
That's what she said.
This whole entire dinner here is 388 calories for the entire thing right here. I mean, this is a lot of food for 388 calories. Okay, this egg white quesadilla is literally going to change my morning breakfast or my morning snack before my French toast or after my French toast for the rest of this prep. I mean, this thing is delicious. It's super low in calorie. It's high in protein. I mean, it is just... Total calories for the entire day are 2,382. Total macros for the entire day are 217 grams of protein, 268 grams of carbs, 50 grams of fiber, and then 48 grams of fat. Enough talking. Let's give this egg white quesadilla a little bit of a taste test, right? You can really just pick it up and grab it like a quesadilla. Oh my gosh, ridiculous. A little bit of guac and toast, avocado toast, right? The best part is I have leftover guacamole right here. So what I can do is take my egg white quesadilla, dip it, and then eat it. Like, you're allowed to do that. I know. Yo, this is actually fucking good. Holy shit. Besides that, I'm going to go ahead and wrap the video up here. I'm going to eat this. I'm actually going to edit this video tonight. It is April 7th. This video is going up April 8th. So we literally recorded and we're going to edit the video all in one day so we can have it up. Keep this 3 video a week consistency up. We did that last week. I want to do it again this week. We had great growth over the last week from those 3 videos being put out. So I want to continue to pump out that content. Thank you all for watching another episode. Please leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell button, comment, do all that stuff to help the channel grow. It seriously helps a lot. We're chasing 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We're actually a little over 200 subscribers, which is just awesome. But I am wrapping the video up here. It's me, your boy Joe. Peace.